Hi everyone, this is Tabish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Oakville, and this is Joshua Creek neighborhood, close to Dundas and 9th Line. Very close to all amenities, very spacious, high ceiling house, finished basement. Let's go inside. I'll show you the property and give you the details after. Wooden door, you see the frame on both sides, which make this foyer very bright. Beautiful tiles, and here is coat closet, reasonable size. And you see the ceiling height, again 12-foot ceiling. And here is powder room, conventional with tiles, sink, commode, nice window. And then you take step. Here is a space you can put console or bench. This area goes to basement, we'll touch later. This is the living room, I would say, to start with. You can put some chairs, couch, 4 or 5 people easily can sit. Here is the window. Here is a formal dining room with 2 windows. Here is a space for buffet table, or if you want to put some chairs here. And here is the kitchen access to the dining room. See the partitioning here. From the great room, you see the fireplace. This partitioning looking nice. See big windows, ceiling height, smooth ceiling. Wow, all windows here. It's very bright, looks beautiful. And double door to backyard. We can't go out because it's sealed. Here is kitchen. You see this island, quartz here, beautiful, big. Here they have extended island for breakfast. You can have stools here, 5, 6, 7 people easily can sit. And then you see this beautiful faucet, single deep stainless steel sink, lots of storage. Here you see another countertop, quartz, backsplash. You see how big is our cabinet, lots of storage because 12-foot ceiling height. What do you expect? Here is space for fridge, stove, and hood. Very nice backsplash, very nice. And then here is pantry, lots of storage, you can't complain. This inside garage door, very nice. And then here is coat closet if you're coming from garage, very nice. It's beautiful, it looks so big because of windows and high ceiling, hardwood floor. Now let's go upstairs. Nice railings. First thing on the right side, that's laundry room, huge with tiles. There's a space for washer dryer, laundry tub, properly finished with cabinets, big windows. And then here is room number 1, beautiful, good size, queen bed, king bed, all fixed with chairs and study table or workstation. Then you see here it's walk-in closet, very good size. And here is attached washroom, single sink. It's a basic counter, not upgraded quartz or granite. Here is tub with tiles, but nice, so beautiful. Then you take a few steps. On the left side, room number 2. This room is also very reasonable size, queen bed will fix here with chair, with workstation, study table, fantastic. Here is double door closet, and then attached washroom, single sink, basic. But the good thing is they have standing shower with glass, tiles up to the ceiling, pot light, very nice. Here is room number 3. This room is big. You can have a king, queen, both will fix. Study table, chairs, fantastic. And here is a walk-in closet, very good size. And then here is attached washroom, single sink, commode with tub, tiles. As I always tell you, you can make standing shower if you want to. It's not a big deal. Take the tub off and make a standing shower. And now the big one, master bedroom. Double door entry. As soon you enter, you see this walk-in closet, very good size. And here on the right side is master bedroom. Look at the size. Beautiful, big. This room is big. King bed with chairs. Even if you want to have a love seat here, very nice. Big window. It's a big room. And you see it before. Here's the separation, master bedroom and the bathroom. You can put dressing table here or console for decoration. And then you see here, walk-in closet, very good size. And here is the big one. I love this washroom. This ensuite is beautiful. I see such ensuites in big houses. If you watch my videos of state houses, you will find similar to this. Quartz, very good size. Countertops, good sink, good faucet. Tub here, tiles. Commode area with window, with door. And look at this. Beautiful standing shower. Lovely. See, they have a bench here, this upgrade, and the size of standing shower, spotlight, tiles up to the ceiling. Beautiful. This washroom, love it. And this master bedroom is classic. So 4 bedrooms, all bedrooms, very good size. Basement is finished. Let's go. See, if you want to make legal apartment, you can have a side door from here, subject to city approval, which normally they give you. Carpeted stairs. You see the right side, first thing you see, cold room, beautiful, very good size. And here is electric room and sump pump. You can have some storage here. Here is another storage, or if you want to extend the washroom, you can, or you want to have a powder room. Here is full washroom, single sink, tub, tile. See the ceiling height, that is the biggest thing. And here is the basement. You see how big is the basement? Look at the ceiling height, smooth ceiling, very fine finish. You see the window size. I don't feel I'm in the basement. Here the windows are small. You can always make bigger window, or you can dig from the back and you can make a walk-out basement if you want to. Easily 2 bedrooms. Already everything is ready, only you have to do the partitioning. Here and here, 2 bedrooms, sitting area, amazing. And you can have kitchen here if you want to, put some tiles here, oven, fridge, countertop, sink, everything will come here. And this area for TV hanging, fantastic. Even this room, this furnace room, you can push this furnace to the corner. This area can be used for the kitchen as well, or for any other purpose. There is a lots of space here. Yeah, this basement can be good potential For income, again, I'm repeating, I don't feel like I'm in the basement. Ceiling height, windows, brightness, beautiful. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful detached house. Very good opportunity. If you're interested, give me a call. Brand new house with Terry and warranty. I have many other options available in Oakville, Milton, Burlington, Mississauga, Greater Toronto area. You want to buy a condo, townhouse, semi-detached, detached house, farmhouse. I have options for you. You want to buy pre-construction, ready to move in or resale property, I can help you. If you want to sell your property, I can list your property and make a home tour like this and present in front of right people to get you the top dollar. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe and share. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.